Hi, good morning. Today is Monday, May 4th. It's May the 4th day for all of my Star Wars fans, right? Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful weekend. I hope you got to get outside. I know that the White family was outside a ton this weekend. And it shows like very tired. We did a lot of walking, some work outside, and I am ready to just get back to a nice school routine for the week. So, speaking of our school routine, today for ELA, I would like you to continue reading Loser. I put 2 chapters up, so you'll have until tomorrow also to do those, till tomorrow night. And there is a Google Forms quiz. I would like you to write into your digital journal, which a lot of you are doing a great job, and I'm trying my best to respond when you write. Today's prompt is, how did you feel after Friday's announcement that school will not reopen this year? That was a tough one for me because we had talked about this before in Zoom, and I think that all of us kind of sort of knew it was coming, but to actually hear it was just kind of a surreal feeling. And I know that I had a lot of emotions, and I'd like to hear what you were going through, just your honest thoughts. How does it feel knowing that the next time you walk into OLV, you're going to be 6th graders? I just want to hear what you're thinking. So get that in your journal. Make sure you're following the instructions and you're doing 3 to 5 complete sentences because some of you are getting cheap on me. For math, I told you that was as far as we were going to go with dividing decimals, and I meant it. But as I looked ahead, I thought maybe we weren't quite ready to start our next unit yet or something new. And also, tomorrow happens to be Cinco de Mayo. So I found some cute math pages, math sort of like a little mini project. And what it does is it combines math review with something that we've been really focusing on, which is reading and figuring out word problems. So what will happen this week is 3 sets of those will be released to you. There's not very many problems, but these are multi-step problems that are really going to require you to think, and you're going to need some scrap paper and look at the picture. There's a menu. You're basically doing some food ordering for Cinco de Mayo parties. You're going to be doing it with whole numbers today. Then I give you 2 days to work on a decimal version of it, and there are different questions each time. And then on Thursday, you will get a fraction version of it. So please don't open the doc, see the pictures and the taco menu, and say, oh, yeah, I already did this. It's going to be different. There's 3 versions. Like I always say, we have to stay fresh on this. Do you remember how to subtract fractions? Do you remember how to add fractions? Do you remember how to multiply decimals? Let's just make sure. For religion, most of you that did your religion slides for last week did a great job. And I think that's just a format that I'm comfortable with, where I will give you an assignment and you work on it at your own pace during the week and turn it in by Friday. A couple of you turned in my slides just the way I did them, like blank with no answers, and just clicked turn in. Don't do that. Answer the questions. I put comments on them. I put little like stickers on them, and then I return them to you. So this week I have a chapter review for you where you're going to need to click a link that takes you to our textbook. The makers of our textbook, they do these little online quizzes. And then at the end, you will just email me the results. So once again, you have time. It's not due until Friday. There's going to be a lot of things this week that are going to be ongoing and just due Friday. Because when I think about it and I think about our classroom, that's how we work. You don't do something every day and give it to me. Do something every day and give it to me. It's put this in your blue folder. Then the next day we take it out and we work on it again. And then maybe towards the end of the week or in a week and a half, then you give it to me. So that's how I'd like to continue running things online. I will see you all at our 11 o'clock Zoom.